So hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another video. So guys, today we discuss about disability insurance. Disability insurance, as the name implies, is a sort of insurance that pay out if a policy holder is unable to work and earn income due to disability. In case of an accident or disease, such a policy can protect you financially if you become disabled as a result of it. It can replace a portion of income if the injured individual is unable to work due to their condition. The disability insurance plan will also cover any medical bills you may incur as a result of the therapy depending on policy terms. During challenging time in life, having the support of disability insurance benefit can assist you to maintain their lifestyle without falling into extreme financial hardship. Depending on preference, you can opt for short-term or long-term disability insurance in India. How disability insurance works? Understanding what is disability insurance is crucial step is comprehensive financial planning. Disability insurance contract between insurance and policyholder. The insurance company agree to give you monthly benefit amount in exchange for your payment if you experience a condition that prevents you from working. Generally, starting disability insurance policy include coverage for entire incapacity due to an accident, whether temporary and permanent. If you become totally and permanently incapacitated, you will receive the entire sum assured if you are covered under permanent disability insurance. If the disability is partial, the policy will pay proportion of covered amount based on degree of disability. You must make regular payments to keep your coverage active, just like any other sort of insurance. If an injury stops you from working at the regular job but allow you to undertake alternative sort of work that diminish your income, some disability insurance policy will pay you monthly benefit. Your benefit amount will almost also a percentage of your income. Typically, policies pay 60 and 80% of your pre-disability earnings. The benefit term could be set number of months of year, or it could will last until you reach a specific age. It is accidental disability insurance, long-term disability insurance, or permanent disability insurance.